Hey, what's going on, guys? I didn't check my email for a couple of days due to being busy with my private stuff, basically. So, like when I just opened my email, I've seen this. OMG, like a face palm is. Oh my god, another email! Oh, oh man. You kidding me, guys? Okay. Well, okay. This wasn't intended. It's not. It's all live stuff. I can't mimic this. Well, okay, guys. So I was going to check up this email because it was the very first one in the row, basically. So let's have a look. So Amos Amo, yeah, I remember this guy. He did try to write some one-line scrapers. So let's have a look what he wants here. Okay, so he's trying to give me iTunes gift, which I reject because that's too complicated for me. I'm not gonna be dealing with that stuff. So only Patreon donations or direct payments via Payoneer payment system. But just forget that. So let's get to the point base. Okay, so here I need help. I'm able to download CSV file, but all the links are stored in a single row. Now getting row by row. Any help from your side? Thanks in advance. Okay, so he also has a commercial project for his client. They want to download actually all CV from site. Is it possible? Then how much you chargeable? Okay, so this seems like a job offer, so we'll take a look at this a little bit later on, but for now I want to have a look at this one-liner, believe it or not. So this seems to be the very first one-liner created by one of my subscribers and sent to me. Okay, so let's have a look. I just want to open the terminal on my desktop, and by typing scrapey shell. Okay, invoke the scrapey shell. So let's try to paste this and see if it works. So, oh my god, it works! What a fantastic thing! I've been asking you guys to send me only the code that works, and it's the very first code that you've sent me that actually works. Oh my god, this is so cool. So yeah, it seems like I already see what's the problem here. So he does seem to be scraping some links for the images, and they all are stored within the single row, but he wants them to be stored row by row, basically. So let's have a look at the target site first. Okay, don't need this quote here. Okay, so he scrapes this files here. Okay, and I guess that the URLs are just pretty fine, basically. So the only problem here is, so just gonna go home. Can I go home? Well, okay. Starting from here, I guess, right? And say right over here. So let's try to copy one and have a look if the URL is valid to make sure that, yeah, pretty nice. So he got this invoices, and also, yeah, I just thought that it would be also great actually to scrape the images for them. And by the way, isn't this the description of the job offer? Well, probably this seems to be a different site, but okay, so let's first try to answer the particular question, and then I would probably like to add some sort of an improvement to this one-liner to actually scrape the images in one line of code as well. So okay, so let's have a look. We don't need this anymore, so let's kick this for a while. So the very first thing that I can see here, that as far as we are working with the only single kind of with the only single column, we don't need this dictionary, right? And also we don't need to join anything here. So by the way, the fact that you're joining here, Amos, if you're watching this, the fact that you're joining this all the set of this results. That's the reason why you're getting actually a single why you're getting your results being rendered within the single line actually. So you don't need to do this, you need to loop over this result set instead. Okay, and here okay, so I don't want this stuff anymore, so let's here just try to print first. Also, yeah, I just want to say that as far as we are working with only single column, there is no need to use the CSV. And the idea, okay, so we got something here, perfect. So the idea actually of one-liners is to keep code as minimalist as possible, basically, because you don't really want to write something that is not kind of that useful. Okay, and now, well, we could have. Now we'll probably better go in this way. So here I've been printing this stuff, right? So is this still syntactically correct? Okay, it seems like. Okay. So I'm just wondering. So now we can use another list comprehension right over in here, right? And here, if I say for URL in this list, and let's actually try to print our URL. Okay, so here it seems like we got the list of our URLs, which is great. And yeah, this is, let's kick this out. So I'm just wondering what was the file name here. Invoice7.csv. Well, we can even keep the CSV extension, well, doesn't really matter that much. So okay, so now instead of, well, yeah, so I can simply say open dot write, okay, and here invoice 7.csv, and want to append to the file stream and append in this URL. Well, let's have a look if this did actually resolve the issue. Hold on a sec, this is a little bit strange. Did I? Seems like it did write all this stuff, but well, this is a bit strange to me. Okay. Oh guys, I'm sorry, yeah, just as far as we're not actually using the CSV module, of course, we just need to manually add to append a new line within the write method here. Oh, of course, yeah, just sorry for this. Yeah, as far as we just did drop the using of the CSV module, so we can simply append this new line this link, and this should work actually. Okay, now it's pretty nice here. So just as it was requested, we have a list of all this sort of PNG files here, right? Okay, so this is really tricky, and you know, like yeah, probably I will end this video right over in here actually to keep it short. And one more thing, so probably the next video I will use this line of code to improve it slightly a bit, and then to actually try to get all the images and store them to the disk locally within the only single line of Python code. So yeah, that's the plan. Well, okay guys, thanks for watching, until next time, and take care.